All right, let's take a look at one of my favorite features of the console, fanning. Fanning allows for spreading of variable parameters and can be tweaked in a few different ways. I'll bring my hyperstars to full and move them downstage. Now the easiest way to fan is by holding down the fan key and moving the encoder wheel. It's important to know that when fanning, you are fanning via your selection order, and there are 4 fan modes: normal, start, end, and center. Normal fans in a twisting action from the middle fixture. Start is in a linear fashion from the first fixture. End fans from the last fixture. And center, similar to normal, except fixtures go in the same direction, making a V shape. Now with fanning, it takes some practice, and if you mess up, there are a few shortcuts that can get you back on track. The first is holding down period and moving an encoder wheel, or holding down period and pressing a kind key. Alternatively, you can use a slash key. By holding slash and moving an encoder wheel, all lights homogenize to the first fixture's value. Lastly, values can be fanned in any editor window, and multiple values can also be input for more complex adjustments. Now, to take things a step further, we have segmenting and buddying. These can be found on our Softkey toolbar. The segmenting value will repeat the fan, and buddying will treat multiple fixtures as a unit. Let's do a segment of 3 and fan our pan. And just like that, we've made a really cool, easy position. Now buddying. I'll do a buddy of 4, reset my pan, and it treats every 4 fixtures as a unit. And of course, this can be combined. I'll do a buddy of 2 and a segment of 3. Lastly, a super useful feature, I can use segments to input a value, say 4, and use this value to select fixtures. So I'll type in some new fixtures, 301 through 328 at full. And by holding down group and pressing next, allows me to select every 4 fixtures shown in my programmer. I'll apply some colors. And just like that, I was able to quickly apply colors to my fixture selection. Alternatively, this can be used with Next by Segment instead. And by using Next by Segment, instead of selecting every 4 fixtures, it's going to select every 4 fixtures together. So holding down group and pressing next, selects the first 4. I'll do red, group next, yellow, group next, green, group next, green again, group next, yellow, group next, red. And just like that, I was able to quickly apply colors across my fixture selection. Fanning is a fantastic tool for producing more varied and dynamic looks on stage. And by being smart with segmenting and buddying, it doesn't matter if you have a rig of 50 fixtures or 500. You can quickly control and scale your design.